If you want to go ahead and increase out the functionality of Claude, then you can actually go ahead and connect it out with different applications by using connectors. So if I were to go ahead and click on plus, you can see that I got connector as an option right here. And right now I have actually already connected it to Jotform, which allows me to go ahead and create out Jotform forms. If you want to learn more about Jotform, you can check my tutorial on it as well. So apart from that, let's say for example, if I were to go to connector, I can go ahead and click on add connector right here. And here you can see that there's different connectors that you can add in. For example, you can add in Canva, Notion, Google Drive, Gmail right here, Google Calendar. So you can actually tell Claude to make calendar events. You can go ahead and then, let's say for example, utilize different connectors right here as you want. So let's just go ahead and, for example, I'm going to go for Canva right here, and let's just go ahead and connect. So you can see it says Canva right here. You can see that it actually is asking me whether I want to allow it. So I'm just going to go ahead and allow the authorization right here, just like this. So once you do that, now you can see that under connector, let me just go ahead and use the memory right here that better understands me. So you can see that it says Canva is on. So now what I can simply do is say, let's say for example, in Canva, create a graphics design promoting a food fest for pizza party. Let's say for example right here, I can go ahead and say something. So I said in Canva do this. So once I do that, it'll actually go ahead and understand that I'm telling it to access Canva. And since I added in the connector, you can see that it has connected out to Canva right here. And then it says planning your story. So it's actually generating out a design for me in Canva that I can go ahead and edit out as I please. So in Canva, if you want to learn more about how to use it and so forth, you can check out my tutorial series on Canva as well in my YouTube playlist. Anyways, you can see that it is finalizing design, so it does take a bit of time, so you gotta wait for a bit. And then you can see that it came up with this. So it used the Canva connector to go ahead and generate out the particular theme graphic design. So you can see that, let's say for example, I like this one, so you can go ahead and click, and then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and open out that link in Canva. So it generated this. So now you can see that this is actually divided it into layers right here. So you can go ahead and then change it out as you want. So you can go ahead and say pizza. Let's say for example, you can go ahead and change the size right here, just like this. You can go ahead and then delete these out if you want as well, just like this. So let's say I just want to keep this text. You can go ahead and change it right here and keep it wherever you want. So you can go around over here, keep it right here, just like this. Maybe I can go ahead and change it out as I want right here. So you can see that this is what I have. I can rotate it around, and this is what you have. So that is basically how you can actually go ahead and add in Claude connectors. And for example, we took a look at how we can work around with Canva right here, just like this, to increase out the functionality of what you can do with Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.